Hey guys, Tuesday, December 10th, 2024. Let's see what the Black Widow wants to do today. As you can see, you got a nice little pop, price action gap fill. Looks like she wanted you to follow her. Get some bulls going, but you know what? It didn't work. The bulls, I guess, are not falling for the trap. And now she's filling up the gap fill. The Bears really had control yesterday. As you can see, the Bears won. They might continue. Volume was pretty decent. Very close to 11.11. But though 11.11 was very bullish in regards to price action. Let's do our trend line here. See what's cooking on a log scale chart. And make sure we're on a log scale chart. Yep, this is a log scale chart. So pivoting right from right here, you can see that we were chopping around here, was holding, and now we're below the trend line. However, above the anchor VWAP. But it's just showing you that we can hold this trend line as of now. Let's go to our simple glance chart. Still in chop fest until we close above 329. Or we take out 308, 307, 308. Actually, pretty much this whole area is all support right here. But there's a lot of liquidity down here. And we'll see if this is going to hold again. But so far, PPS sell signal, so the path of least resistance to the downside. MACD is still negative now, or turned negative, chopping around the 20 SMA. But we need to take out this low right here, which is this pivot high, actually a pivot low of 297 in order to get momentum to the downside. But we got to be careful because there is the 50 SMA, your midpoint. You got the linear regression channel. This is a favorite area of mine to buy on dips, but we'll see. Looking at our trend line on a non-log scale chart, you can see that it's still holding. So one holds and one doesn't. The first one I showed you didn't hold. This one is holding. You want to look at what traders are looking on a chart on both settings to get an idea of what they're thinking. Let's look at our gap fill. Yep, gap fill is gapped. It's filled. Was it a high 310? 310. Our low is 310. Yep. So this is no longer an issue. Let's go into the 4 hour. So far we lost the midpoint of 312 below the moving average with a PPS sell signal. MACD is negative and Stokes are unwinding to the downside on the 4 hour. And on the daily, we filled our gap fill right here and hanging around the 200 SMA. Targets to the downside is 309 all the way to 304. But this whole area right here is all support. So you just got to be careful. You got to push down there with force in order to see continuation. So it could probably be chopping around sideways, trying to trap whoever, bulls and bears. So, and you're below your midpoint of 323. So all this to try to get some more bulls to jump on board, but the bulls are not feeling it. I think they're a little more smarter than what other people think they are. They're very smart. They're like waiting to see what's going to happen. So this is the area you don't want to be trading. I'm on the sidelines. I'm waiting to see what she's going to do, how she's going to resolve it. If I'm going to go short, we got to take out that low. If I'm going to go long, we got to take out that high to see some continuation. But I'm not going to go long here when she could go down here. And I'm not going to go short here when she really wants to test this high and then go down. So that's my game plan. Hope you like this video. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on nat gas.